on his way to Damascus, and he changed his life. I would wish that the president changes the way he runs this country. I would wish him a Damascus moment. I would wish him during this festive season that Jesus would be real in his life. That is what I wish him. And I say to all Kenyans, a Merry Christmas. But the president, people have issues with the way you're running government. And I wish that the Lord will intervene to you at this moment. Yesterday evening, I got a WhatsApp letter asking me to appear before one Michael Sang at DCI at 8 o'clock. Of course, getting the letter late, I would not have been here at 8 o'clock, but I've tried to come just slightly after 8 o'clock. I was summoned with some purported crimes that I might have committed. But on appearing, to my surprise, is that they are telling me they later informed me that I should not be here. I have not gotten any message, so I appeared based on the summon. But they are saying that they wrote me a message at night that I should not appear, and they have postponed the matter to some other time. So first of all, I'm surprised the manner in which you receive a summon, which as a law-abiding citizen I appeared because I would want to know what is it. They told me there is information they would want me to assist with through my phone number, and I obliged to appear. But what I would ask our country at this moment, it is sad that one would want to use the criminal justice system to make sure that members of parliament who believe in Rigathi Gachagua will be summoned to the DCI. My only crime would be to have attended a function in Ishamara yesterday with the deputy president. And I would want to know why summon me because of accompanying the deputy president. If this is a tactic probably to instill fear, then I am sorry, I would not yield to such tactics. We have a country that we, all of us, have to contribute to. I am part of government, being in the legislature. We have said no to the vaccines that the president wants to introduce. I have said no. I repeat again, no. Mr. President, forced vaccination, what you're calling mass vaccination of livestock, a program with Bill Gates, is actually that is a program that wants to undermine livestock in this country. Why will we take up people buy the vaccines on their own? Why do you want to force? And we are saying from our region where we come from that we will not allow the issue of vaccination of livestock, which is forced under a program by Bill Gates, in a country where they come from, they do not believe in the same program. I would have expected, for instance, we were attacked in Limuru. Why haven't they summoned? Why haven't they arrested? Why haven't they taken to court the people who caused mayhem? Our cars were destroyed. We complained. We are complainant in that case. They have not gone for the criminals. They are looking for members of parliament with a contrary opinion to government. And what they would expect is that we will keep giving our opinions on the contrary on issues that we believe this country has to look into. And we are doing this without fear or favor, for the welfare of society, which is the motto of our national